This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jeremiah Wampler. Live today at Open House Sunday, June 26, 2 to 4 p.m. Come fall in love with this immaculately kept and well-loved home. Situated on an oversized, corner lot, conveniently located in a highly desired area of Lenoir City in close proximity to dining, shopping, medical facilities and airport. The moment you enter, you're greeted by natural light and the love the owners have shown to this home. This spacious split foyer has been not only meticulously maintained, but also updated. All bathrooms, bonus room and gourmet kitchen have been reimagined beautifully with high-end finishings/appliances. The huge deck is the perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining friends/family. It overlooks the sprawling, level and lush lawn alongside its huge workshop and storage shed. This gem simply won't last. RS for more information, review the details below or contact Jeremiah Wampler at 865-584-4000.